Well, welcome back to another video. So on today's video I'm just going to do a quick day in the life, so I'm just going to bring the camera around with me for the day. So I'm just going to wash down this parlour here, wet it down first before milking. So let's milk here first and then I'll be back home to milk at home there and feed the calves at home. I'm recording here this morning, so I have to wait till he comes before I can start milking. So I just want to wet down the parlour here and then get the cows out, the cubicles ready to get milking. You can see me there in the dark, so I'm just out here checking the dry cows, see if anyone's calved first. So just see, check the dry cows out, check the calving pens, then make sure there's no fresh calves or cows to be brought down for milking.
Cold Septembers, the distances we covered, the fist fights on the beach, the busies round us up, do it all again next week. An embryonic love, the first time that it's scarred. Embarrass yourself for someone, crying like a child. And the boy you kicked Tom's head in still bugs me now. That's the thing, it lingers and claws you when you're down. I spent my teens in rage, spiraling in silence, and I armed myself with a grin, cause I was always the fucking joker, buried in the humor, amongst the white noise and boys, locker room talking lads, drenched in cheap drink and snipe bags, a mirrored picture of my old man. Oh God, the kid's a damn hard. Got each other, but he looks sad. The kid looks so sad. The kid looks so sad. She said that.
So that milking all done there now, so I'm heading home here to go finish up the milking at home. To get home he'll probably be nearly done. I'll feed the calves, scrape out the cubicles and all, and then we'll get the breakfast. Be back down here this evening to milk the cows again here. Remember now, I'll have to do these cubicles, clean out these cubicles, and all the next job is, now I haven't got a fancy machine to do these ones, so I may do them by hand. It doesn't really matter anyway. So we'll go with the scraper and we'll work on these.
So I thought about shifting gear, and now she wept. But love came down on you. See my mother, DWPC a number. She cries on the floor with hunger. 17 going under. 17 going under.
that shed's nice and clean. They're now limed and all. So most say the cubicles are the handiest thing we ever put up. Eventually I want to get on my scraper to scrape out the passageway once we have a tank there eventually, hopefully. So the other shed is still straw bedded, but that should be eventually like this year. Fingers crossed. There'll be another cubicle shed like this over the far side. These are our 3 youngest calves, so I always feed from the youngest up. We'll be using the same feeder for them all. So there are 2 heifers, and then the middle one's a bull. So he's the first Frisian bull we had. He was out of one of the stock bulls we had running with the heifers, so the rest of them were all sex semen. Not bad animals. These 2 here must be related because they're the exact same markings. They're all different bulls, but the mothers must be fairly related because they're both on line there, they're both line in the back. So I have the rest of the heifer calves fed that are in that shed over there. Now I'm just feeding the big ladies here. So these just get fed once a day in the morning. They'll be weaned off milk now by the end of February. They're getting fed about once a day there for the last 10 days. And then sure, I say another week or so they'll be got weaned off completely because they're eating plenty of nuts and plenty of hay there. So they don't really need milk. At the moment they're 12 weeks old, so they're plenty old enough. Came out there now from getting the breakfast. So the next job is I want to clean out the shed, give them a fresh bed. So we do that every day when the cows are in, so the cows are still in. Hopefully to be out again in 2 days. Then we'll also have them sheds cleaned out. I'll feed them silage and all then the cows will be okay then for the rest of the day. The cubicles have been all done, so they're lying off, they're happy. Cows are all fed there now, so the next job is I'm going to hitch up this trailer on the tractor and bring it down, and we're going to car up maybe 1 or 2 load of dung just to keep it out. So we do it every so many days, we draw out 1 or 2 trailer loads up to the field to have it there. So I brought up 3 loads of dung there up to the field, so I'm just coming back now for my 4th load, so we ain't got the dinner there now, so it's after dinner. So I'm going to get this load, draw it up the field, and I have a cow day AI. So I AI'd a cow this morning. I have another one to AI there now before I go off, and then I'll have another one heifer to AI when I come back this evening. So I'm just going to load myself here now with some dung and get up before it starts raining too heavy, because it's starting to rain there now. So we'll get this loaded and move on. All the dung up in the field there now, so it's getting a bit sloppy now since it's raining, so I can't draw any more up today anyway. So she's after raining a nice little slip there now, so I was hoping to get the cows out tomorrow, but after that rain coming now, it'll be in for another few days. I want to check through the cows, make sure no one's bulling, and there's a few left to calve there. I want to check them. I need to bed and clean out, scrape out there, passageway there. These are the racing heifers. I need to bed the calves and give them meal, and I'll just be sure before I go down do the evening milking. So as you can hear there now, she's starting to pick up again. I'm standing under the roof here that we put up this, well, last year now. So it's very handy for calving. This is where we calve the cows. So I've had to hanging up the calving jack there now, so everything's nice and handy in here. Calving gate and calving jack, and drop a cow in from the shed there, fairly handy. So eventually I'm looking to get a calving camera just to stick up there somewhere. I'll be able to maybe stick it there, be able to look into that other shed as well. It's after 4 there now, and I'm heading down to do the evening milking. For the cousin there now, so I should be down here now back by before 7, and then I'll make it home then and feed the calves at home. So
steal the show. I'm here to steal the show. You can make it. Are you ready? Let's go. I got a feeling. I know you're gonna steal the show. Gonna change the world. I keep pushing on. Blood, sweat, and tears. Come on, come on. No pain, no gain. I earn my stripes. I'll remember this day for the rest of my life. Train, sleep, repeat for the rest of my life. Train, sleep, repeat. Let's go, let's go. For the rest of my life. Train, sleep, repeat. Let's go, let's go. For the rest of my life. Train, sleep, repeat. Let's go, let's go. For the rest of my life.
I'm milking done here now, so I'm going to head home now and get 2 jobs done. I have to home with an eye heifer and feed a few calves now. So we'll get home there now. I don't know how well you can see me there, but this is a heifer. So I'm giving her Angus straw.
You can make it. Are you ready? Let's go. I got a feeling. I know you're gonna steal the show.
That's her eye there now. So that's a heifer. She is just nearly 14 months old. And I give her an Angus, so I was giving them all 6, but I wasn't too sure how long she was on, and I don't want to be eyeing tomorrow morning because it'll be Sunday morning. So I just gave her an Angus because you don't have to be as accurate with the timing. So that will be her first serve. So hopefully she's 6 now. Heifer eyed there. So I have 4 heifers at the moment that are big enough to bull. So I PG'd them there, was it 3 or 4 days ago, and I've already AI'd 3 of them. So I'm just waiting on one more, which is this lady out here. So I've PG'd the rest of them. To the rest of them got 6, but I gave her an Angus because timing wasn't right for the 6th, and I don't want to be eyeing in the morning because Sunday morning I mightn't have time to do it. So I'm waiting for the other one now. Hopefully get them, and then I'll be watching them in 3 weeks' time, and then they'll be calving in November because the rest of them then will have to wait a little bit longer. There's 2 more there that I might give another month, and then I'll start eyeing them. So I like to eye them now before I put them over to lease ground because it's not really a crush there to AI with, so it's easier to AI here. And I'm not running a stock boat with them this year either, so towards last year we had a stock boat with them, so it didn't really matter. So I'm going to leave the video there. So thanks for watching the video. So it's just a video about day in life. So not every day is the same, but this is just how this day ended up. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like button and subscribe, and good luck.